Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 221. A teacher wants to enlarge a periodic table that is 10 centimeter wide and 14 centimeter long. If he enlarged the width to 24 centimeters, how much is the length now? We can have two ways to solve for these questions. So the first one is the easy one. So let's set up if you have the width is 10, is go with the length is 14. So now if it's 24 for the width, what it should be for the length. So we use the method of cross multiply, and then we divide by the rest. So the question mark is 24 times 14 divided by 10. We can simplify this one a little bit, so make it easier. So 24 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2 over 5 times 2. 10 is 5 times 2, so we can eliminate 2. So now we do 7 times 24. 7 times 4 is 28. Write 8, remember 2. 7 times 2 is 14. Remember 2 is 16. And then divide by 5. So the correct answer is A, 168 over 5. We can see this one as directly proportional problem when you have your x value or your w values is equal 10 centimeters, and then your length is equal 14 centimeters. So now the new w is 24. Okay, so this one is the same thing as you increase it, you multiply by 2.4. Okay, and because when the width, so this is like 10 and 14. 10 and 14. Now the enlarges. Okay, now the enlarges, so it become 24. So now it become 24. So you see that the length have to be increased as well. Have to be increased that way. So one value increase, another one will be increased as well with the same constant or the same rate. So this one will be multiplied by 2.4. And you will have L equal 14 times 2.4. I will do it 24 and then divide by 10. That will be the same thing as we perform in the first method. It will be 168 out of 5. So the first one and then the second one directly proportional problem. Okay, you can take note from video number 34 in the TSI playlist. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.